Good morning, little plant. Time for your water. There you go. That should help. You look a little sad today. I watered you yesterday too. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. That's 6 days in a row. I water it every day. Why won't it grow? What happened? My plant still isn't growing. Are you watering it? Every single day.
I do everything right. Water in the morning. Every day.
That's it? Just, I'm thinking. I'll figure this out. Don't give up on me. Still drooping. What am I doing wrong? Soil is fine. Pot is fine. Water is fine. Everything is fine. There's plenty of light. That can't be the problem. Mom, my plant won't grow. I do everything right.
Did you try asking it what it needs?
Ask it what it needs. It's a plant, Mom.
Plants are good at showing you. You just have to watch at the right time.
Okay. I'm watching. What am I supposed to see? I give up for now. Maybe tomorrow. Oh. There it is. The light comes from this side in the afternoon. But the plant is facing the wrong way. I could tell Jake. Or I could just fix it. There. Now it can find the sun. Better. Try that for a few days. What were you doing? Nothing. Just looking at something. Still the same. I'll water it again tomorrow. Back a little. There. He doesn't need to know yet. Let the plant show him. Getting better. A little more time. Good morning. Water time. Wait. Wait. You're standing up. You're actually standing up. Did I turn this? I don't think I turned this. So, my plant looks better today. That's nice.
Do you know why it looks better?
Maybe it just needed time. Right. Maybe it did. How much did you water it this week? Every single day. That's a lot. Sometimes less is enough. I think I was trying too hard. Sorry about that. No. Leave it.
Okay. I'll water it less. And leave it where it is.
Sophie. Yeah?
Nothing.
Maybe it just needed time.
Good morning, by the way.
Good morning, Jake.
Rice, vegetables, and a little extra today. Perfect.
Is that Dad's lunch? His special Friday lunch.
Don't forget this. Never.
Never. Thank you. See you tonight, team.
Bye, Dad.
Oh? When did you last see it? Your father says he can't find his lunchbox.
He can't find it?
Hold on, Ethan.
He says he put it in his bag this morning. But it's not there now.
This is a case.
Jake,
Operation Find Dad's Lunchbox.
We start now. It's probably just in his bag.
The case begins here. No lunchbox goes unfound on my watch.
Your jacket is on backwards.
That is intentional.
Counter. Clear. Refrigerator. No lunchbox. Suspicious. No lunchbox in here. Which makes sense. He took it with him.
Checking under the sofa. 3 socks. 1 pencil. No lunchbox.
Jake, he put the lunchbox in his bag at the door. The answer is in his bag.
Too simple. Real mysteries are never that simple.
Jake.
Unless someone in this house took it.
Sophie? I did not eat Dad's lunchbox.
Where were you at breakfast?
At the table. With you. The whole time. That's true. But, Jake, how many times have you forgotten your own things?
That is not relevant.
Your water bottle. Your homework folder. Your left shoe.
The shoe doesn't count. Okay. New plan. Where else could it be?
Any progress?
The investigation is ongoing.
Did Dad check everywhere in his bag? He said it's not there. Did he check his car? His car.
He put the bag in first.
And then he picked up the lunchbox. But the bag was already in the car.
So the lunchbox never made it into the bag.
Dad? Did you check the car?
He's checking.
Wait, seriously?
It was in the car.
Dad?
It was in the car.
It was in the car the whole time. The whole time.
So... The lunchbox was in the car.
The investigation reached the correct conclusion.
After searching under the sofa.
In the future, Kai, check the obvious places first. Before the magnifying glass.
The magnifying glass found 3 socks under the sofa. That is useful. You can take the jacket off now.
I know. Investigation complete. Case closed.
Your father wants to say something. Yeah, Dad?
It's okay, Dad. We all make mistakes. Sophie, I've learned something today. Check before you blame.
You blamed me first.
The investigation pointed at multiple suspects.
You two are very good at this.
The investigation?
At making each other better.
Oh. Oh. What is it? Rice and vegetables. Same as Dad's.
Which is in the car.
Check before you blame.
I know, Sophie.
I should have checked the car first.
Yes.
Sophie?
Still no.
Be back by 7.
Dinner is in the fridge if you're hungry.
Actually, I will make dinner tonight.
What?
I watched Mom cook many times. I know how it works. Sophie,
Are you sure?
yes. Trust me.
Are you sure?
Trust me.
The soup recipe is on the counter.
I know. I'll be fine. Okay. Let's cook.
Are we really doing this?
Pot, water, vegetables. Simple. Bring water to boil. Add vegetables. Add salt to taste. I have it.
Jake, fill the pot with water and put it on the stove.
Okay. How much water?
Enough. Not too little, not too much.
That is very helpful, thank you.
This is heavy. Put it on the back burner.
Salt to taste, like the recipe says. How much is to taste?
A good amount. Mom always adds a lot. This actually looks like soup. I told you.
What does it taste like?
It tastes like soup.
Sophie? This is very salty.
Okay. It is a little salty. A little. Easy. We add more water. It dilutes the salt. Okay. That makes sense.
I'll do the rice at the same time. Are you sure that's...
Trust me.
You keep saying that.
The rice. The rice is very soft. Sophie, this is not rice. This is almost porridge.
It is soft rice. Some people like soft rice.
Do you like soft rice?
I am learning to. Still a little salty. But less.
Jake, I think I made some mistakes. A few. But not terrible.
Maybe we should just eat Mom's food from the fridge. We already made this. It's a little salty. The rice is a little soft. Let's just eat it. You'll eat it? I'm hungry. Put the rice on the side. Done.
Okay, here we go. It is very salty, but I can taste the vegetables.
This is terrible. I am so sorry, Jake.
Terrible together is still together. Keep eating.
You are eating it. I told you I was hungry. The rice is so soft.
I know. I like it.
You don't have to eat more. I want more.
Did you two cook?
Yes.
That is bold.
I tasted it. I thought it needed more.
How many times?
2 times. Maybe 3. 3 times.
You know what makes this soup special?
The salt?
You made it. Together.
Next time, taste once and then stop. Yes, Mom.
Sophie.
I know, Jake.